Allah does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear. Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah 2:286. Kindness is a mark of faith, and whoever is not kind has no faith. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the best among you are those who have the best manners and character. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, trust in Allah, but tie your camel. Prophetic saying, emphasizing the importance of taking practical actions along with relying on God when you have no one else. Remember, Allah is with you. Indeed, with hardship comes ease. Quran, Surah Ash-Shar 94:6. He who has a good friend has found a priceless treasure. Islamic proverb, the best jihad is to speak the truth in the face of a tyrant. Prophetic saying, do not grieve, indeed Allah is with us. Quran, Surah At-Tawbah 9:40. Take account of yourselves before you are taken to account. Umar ibn Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him,